Okay.
My dear Reverend, tonight I wish to speak to you about the nature of God. This is the Church of the Holy Sepulchre, is it not? It appears it is not. By the Holy Virgin who ignites my passion in a very strange way, I feel that I have made the wrong turn when I left the cathedral. But the Holy Spirit inspires me, and I must preach to you, Philistines. But the nature of God can be imagined to be like two big tits. Because our Father, who art in heaven, Smelly be his name, he said that as a mother cradled the baby in the arm and nurtured them from her breast, so he shall nurture us. So the nature of God can be imagined to be two big tits. Enormous tits. Infinite tits. So, when I think about the nature of God, I become slightly aroused. Because I imagine God to be this stupendous woman who gives birth to the whole earth. So, when I stand before God in all my humility, I cannot help but be struck by a sense of my own inadequacy. Because with such a stupendous vagina, how can I hope to fill her with my presence or bring her holy pleasure? I could become lost in the depths of the mystery of God and never once touch the sides. But the pleasure of God is through worship and sacrifice. Sacrifice. Lots of dead bulls, dead sheep, and little woolly lambs with their throats cut. And all these dead, bloody animals may fill her, but I cannot. But as I think of this, I cannot help but wonder, would live animals be a better idea? But who am I to know? A mere mortal with only a very small instrument of praise with which to offer worship. But the nature of God is to be omnipotent and omniscient and omnipresent, which are three very big words that I do not know what they mean. Till I read the book, the theology book, and the theology book teaches me that to be impotent is to be all-powerful. And if I can share in his impotence, I can be powerful too. And to be omniscient means to know all there is to know. And to be omnipresent means to be everywhere at the same time. So, those enormous tits, oh, those infinite tits are everywhere. So I can reach out and touch them. So when I reach out to God, I become highly aroused, and my instrument of praise wishes to sing. But what can I do? I do not know. Maybe I should just make an offering of praise to my God. I think I should go now to the men's room. My God, why have you so aroused